If no TF card is inserted, the card icon will not appear in the upper right corner. 2. After entering music, disk contents and card folder will not be displayed. 3. After entering file browser, disk contents and card folder will not be displayed. Reminder, be sure to insert the TF card in the correct direction to avoid damaging the internal springs of the TF card slot, which could prevent the card from being read or cause permanent damage to the TF card or slot. TF direction as shown, yellow gold finger facing upwards. Hold the device at a slight angle, align the TF card with the card slot, and keep it parallel to the body. Slowly push it in. When the card is about 70% in, you will feel the spring inside the slot. Gently press until you hear a click, which means the card is fully inserted. Once inserted, a card icon will appear at the top right of the screen, and a pop-up will ask Update Playlist. Tap Yes to refresh immediately, or wait a few seconds, and the system will refresh automatically. After inserting the TF card, when you enter music or file browser, the options disk contents and card folder will be displayed. Disk contents and card folder are separate. If you play a song from disk contents, the All Songs list will only show songs from disk contents. If you play a song from card folder, the All Songs list will only show songs from the TF card. When downloading music to your computer, create and name folders clearly. This way, your files stay organized and are easier to find and use. Remove TF card. Press the middle of the TF card with your finger and push it inwards with a slight force. When you hear a click sound, the card will pop out automatically.